Hey there, today we're going to look at how to add text in AutoCAD, so let's get started. First, go to the Home tab in AutoCAD. Over here, find the Annotations section, then locate the Text option. After that, click on Text or open the drop-down menu for more options. Then, choose single-line text or multi-line text. Over here, use single-line text for short labels and multi-line text for longer descriptions. After that, click on the area in your drawing where you want the text to appear. Then, type your text in the text box that appears. Over here, if the text size is too large or too small, don't worry, adjust it easily. After that, double-click the text to enter editing mode. Then, change the text style or adjust the text height for proper sizing. Over here, click outside the text box to finalize your changes. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.